How you going, guys? It's Josh here from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm going to give you a tip. We've got a customer who's advised us that he hasn't had his van serviced in a long time. Basically what we've found in his hubs is when his grease has pretty much come to a point that it's like a gubby glue. That's not what we want. This is the new grease, nice, smooth, really easy for the bearing to slide around. So what I'd advise you guys is to try and get your van serviced regularly. We advise every 12 months or 10,000 Ks, whatever comes first. And you'll avoid problems such as getting new bearings all the time and any other further down the track that you might have to replace a full hub. So we advise you to do this. If you have any other comments or questions on this tip, comment on our Facebook page or give us a call.